what is affiliate marketing? It's basically where you're promoting another company's products in exchange for a commission when a sale is made. So we've got a nice little graphic down here. You can see affiliate, most people here are going to be affiliates, right? You're going to be promoting products to customers, right? The customer is going to say, hey, this is pretty cool, this cool product, I want to check this out. They're going to purchase that product from a business, and then that business is going to reward you as the affiliate with a commission. So very oversimplified, but that is probably the simplest way I can explain what it is. So let's dive a little bit deeper though. So how does all of this really work? So when it comes down to it, the bread and butter of affiliate marketing is really, it all comes down, the glue, if you will, is the affiliate link. So an affiliate link is basically just a unique link that every single affiliate is using to make sure that they get paid for their efforts. So you can see right below this, we've got a sample. This is what a ClickBank tracking link looks like, right? But what does this link do? So it essentially provides tracking so that every click that you drive and every sale that you make is stored, and it lets you get paid for exactly what you've earned. So tracking is a huge deal with these affiliate links. Otherwise, you'd just be linking directly to products. There'd be no way to track how many people and sales you've driven. It would be a nightmare without this. So tracking is what makes these things so special. And a lot of this tracking is possible from what's called a cookie. And now, without getting too technical, a cookie is basically this little snippet of code that's stored in the customer's browser window every time they click on an affiliate link, right? So again, I'm not going to get technical on this, but I'll walk you through an example. So let's say someone clicks on your affiliate link. They look at the product. They say, oh, wow, this is really cool, but they leave. They don't purchase. They don't buy the product. Maybe they go run some errands. They go home. They go to sleep, whatever. Maybe 2 days later, they're like, oh, hey, I remember that product. They Google it, and they, not even using your link, they purchase it. You're probably like, oh, man, I probably lost out on the commission. Not true. You still get that commission. And even though they didn't purchase from your link, that cookie, that's where the cookie comes in. It was stored on their browser, and this is good for 60 days, guys. So you don't even have to get you don't have to get a sale right as someone clicks on your link. As long as they click on it, and within 60 days, they go purchase that product afterwards, they can purchase it from any channel they want. You get a commission for the sale. So that is the very, very cool part. And I think a common misconception about how tracking links work is that, or affiliate links work, is that they don't have to purchase right now. So that's in a nutshell how it works. So a lot of you, especially if you're new, you're probably wondering, how much can I get paid? Like realistically, like with affiliate marketing. Take all gurus aside, like what can you actually make with this? So I was perusing the ClickBank marketplace yesterday, and I was looking at anywhere from products that give you $10 per sale versus up to $290 a sale. It ranges, but that's big time cash, right? Guys, like if you've ever experienced, have any experience with Amazon affiliate program, right? A lot of these programs pay out like 1 to 5%, and which is great, but honestly, the payout they're going to be getting is like $2 or $3. This is big time cash, right? $290 versus a couple bucks, pretty huge difference. And the cool part about a lot of products that are on ClickBank, some of them have recurring billing, which means if you convince someone to buy a subscription product, you as an affiliate would not only get paid once, but every time they rebill or their subscription renews, you would get paid. So awesome way to earn passive income, right? And the best part about all of this is there are no caps on how much you can sell. So if you sell 100 units in a single day, right, you're just scaling up. No one's going to tell you, hey, whoa, pump the brakes. You can literally sell as much as you want. So something I always like to tell new affiliates that I think it helps visualize how much money you can actually make is, could you convince 10 people on the internet to buy a bottle of supplements or something like that? Now, I have some math broken out down here on the bottom. $137 is about an average payout for what you see for supplement offers on ClickBank. So if you can convince 10 people to buy a supplement versus $137, you would have just made $1,377 in a single day. Stack that up over day after day, you can really see the potential of money that you can make on this. It's really cool, and it's really exciting, guys. And 10 people does not sound like much, right? So that's very fun, very exciting. You can get paid. So let's work into the reasons why I'm going to show you that affiliate marketing is the best business model out there. And we kind of just covered this, but you can actually make a lot of money, just like I said in the last slide. But honestly, the cool part about this is you can just earn extra money on the side of your day job if you want. You can earn passive income with those recurring billing commissions like I was talking about. Or guys, a ton of people quit their job and make this their full-time source of income because you can scale it to the moon. There is no reason why you couldn't do this. And the best part about all of this is you can turn your passion into a money-making business. So things that you like, things that you're interested in, you can make sure you make money with that. So that is the easiest and most obvious, but The money really is there in affiliate marketing. Now, another very popular reason why people become affiliates is the flexibility. You can work wherever you want. If let's say you want to work from the beach, you want to work from your house, the classic shot of the dude in the laptop sitting on the beach, right? These are real affiliates. This is what they do, right? You can have flexible hours. If you want to work nights, days, weekends, early in the morning, you can do this whenever you want. And you can work as much as little as you want. So an analogy that I like to use is kind of like it's like a time card, or like, the old school time slots where that punches, they're like, hey, I'm clocking in for work. It's like a time card you can just punch in and punch out whenever you want. So you want to put in 2 hours, you want to grind for 20 hours a day. You can do it because it's all up to you. And the best part about the flexibility is you can do this all by yourself. You don't need a team of people. You don't even have a boss to report to anymore. So it's pretty cool. The flexibility is endless, and this is why a lot of people become affiliates. Now, another great reason, and when you look at the whole ecosystem of, all the other ways that you can make money online, all the other businesses, affiliate marketing is great because it is low cost and is low risk, a barrier to entry, basically, when you want to get started. So you don't have a ton of investments that you need to make right up front. You don't have, all kinds of money that you have to put in. It is so cheap to start, especially when you're at the beginning, right? And it's easy to start, right? There's not a ton of stuff that you have to learn and complex systems and things like this. It's honestly getting people to click on your link and buy. It is very simple. And there's no products that you have to create, which a lot of other online business models, you have to have some sort of product, right? A Shopify store, print-on-demand store. You need to have some sort of product or something that you're creating. You don't even have to have a product or an idea for this. You can literally just promote other people's products, and that's the best way it works. And no inventory, obviously, for all those products. So it's low cost, low risk. And this is one of my favorites, and because I think this is an underrated reason why people get into affiliate marketing. But the techniques and the strategies of what you can do to promote your link are completely endless. So if you like writing, you're a really good writer, right? You can write blog posts, you can send emails, you can write reviews, right? Let's say you're creative, you like making videos, stuff like this, TikTok videos, right? You can create a YouTube channel. You can post on social media, right? Like, there is something for everyone, and I truly believe that, like, whatever your skill set is, there is some way for you to convince someone on the internet to purchase a product from, your affiliate link. So the strategies are endless, and I love that, and I think it's a very underrated aspect of becoming an affiliate marketer. So techniques and strategies are endless, right? And then the last part, which is really awesome, is that you don't have to have any tech, marketing, sales experience. You don't have to know anything really to get started with this, because people start from scratch all the time, every single day, and you learn this stuff along the way, guys. It's a part of every affiliate's journey. All you have to have is a laptop and an internet connection, which is pretty cool in the grand scheme of starting online businesses. So another question I get is who should become an affiliate marketer, right? We kind of covered the benefits, but I know this is going to sound corny. I know this is going to sound lame, but literally anyone can do this. And I'm going to prove it to you with those 3 stories I was mentioning, right? So the 3 stories I'm going to share with you in a bit. We've got a fishing boat owner in Alaska. We had a former freelancer from the UK and a struggling mother of 4 from Hartford, Connecticut. And all of them had no marketing experience, no tech experience, no sales experience, nothing before they got started. And they're all from very different walks of life. They all have different skill sets. So I actually mean it when I say literally anyone can do this.